rained in North Carolina in over a week, but that's what we have today. And we're about to unload the car with all our camping stuff. Well, it certainly is an adventure. The tent is broken. We didn't put it away the right way last time, and the poles were bent in a weird way, and Todd just snapped it. So, and it's lightening up a little bit, but it's been pouring rain. We are here at Van Hook Glade Campground in the Nantahala National Forest near the Cliffside River Gorge, and it's beautiful. Check out this gorgeous, it's like very small campground. All the campsites are very secluded. There's a campsite right there through this little path, but there's nobody over there. And I feel like even if there was, there's enough greenery that it would separate us. So here's our little kitchen area with our stove, fuel. You gotta have s'mores forks. And then I've got, obviously, paper towels. This is my knife kit, which I'll show you later. It's really cool. French press, gotta have that coffee. Cups, plates, bowls, silverware, mugs, again, for coffee. My thermosol for when the skeeters come out after the rain's done. Sleeping pads under there. This is where the tent will go. And I have a trash bag on my chair so it stays dry. This is my little, I love this area. So this is my hand washing and dishwashing area. So this is a collapsible little sink. And then this has a spigot, and we just use that to wash our dishes. And then it's our cooler, our drinking water. Listen to that rain. And then here's our cooler. I don't want to open it, but it's got cooler stuff and games. All right, well, new tent acquired. Ozark Trail's finest, Walmart brand. And Todd's here. Hey, Todd.
Hey.
So it started raining again. It's actually lightened up a little bit. I don't know what to do, man. Camping, right? It'll be fun, they said. You'll be in a tent, they said.
You could have rented a villa at the beach for this.
I know, right? We've gone through 2 tents now. Well, 1 tent. We're on the 2nd tent. We've got this old canopy that we use as an extra fly when it's really pouring out, which it has been. And now I'm going to try to make some kind of dinner. Yay!
It's looking like a hot dog type of night. We're going to eat hot dogs for dinner.
There's nothing wrong with eating hot dogs for dinner, my friend.
Nope.
All right, let's do this. How are you feeling, Todd?
I feel fine. My bottom's a little wet. Because I haven't been allowed in the tent yet.
You are allowed in the tent.
Oh,
you just...
check it out.
Okay.
Is my sleeping bag in there?
Your sleeping bag is in there. It's all set up.
Which one am I?
You're on the end, because I have to be in the middle so I can have fresh air. Why don't you show the people?
Okay, I'm ready. Here we go. So we're going to walk up and check out the tent for the first time. See if we can figure out the battery situation in there. Hello? Anybody home? All right, so we're entering the tent for the first time. B is already in here. What you doing, B? Nothing? Cool. All right, well, it's not too bad. pictures on her phone. She probably has internet access like she always does somehow. No, she's just listening to some music. And this is it, so nice and cozy for us. All right.
All right, well, the rain is letting up. It's actually, God, there's some blue sky over there, look. Blue sky. And it's still drizzling, but it's not that bad. So I'm gonna make some dinner. I've got my cook stove right here all set up. We're gonna have some chicken and veggies. I just did a simple like marinade on the chicken. It's got Italian seasoning. Oops. From HelloFresh. It's got a little balsamic vinegar and some olive oil and some garlic powder and salt and pepper. And then I'm going to do these veggies and we're going to serve them in a pita bread, clearance pita bread with some cheddar cheese. Doesn't that sound delicious? And potato chips. That's really all I can muster tonight. I mean, it's just, everything is wet. It's just, I really need a good hot meal right now. So we will see how this turns out. All right, and just like that, dinner is done. We've got our pitas with veggies and cheese and chicken and potato chips. Here comes the bear, awakening from his hibernation. Hi! Dinner's ready.
Okay.
Well, dinner was amazing, and I'm getting ready to cut up some apples for a home-style apple crisp. I'm gonna cook the apples, and then I have some granola to dabble on top, brown sugar, and a little bit of whipped cream, which is in the cooler. And I wanted to show you about my setup for washing dishes, because I think that can be kind of a pain when you're camping in a tent. So I want to show you what I'm doing. So I've got this water tank right here. I think it's like 5 gallons. 7-gallon water tank. It's got the spigot, and then this is a pop out. The water's kind of gross, sorry. This pop out little sink basin. I've got some Dr. Bronner's unscented, which is, I'm pretty sure, biodegradable. And then I have a little table here that I'm using as a drying rack. So I just put all my dishes in the tub. I filled it with water and a little soap. And then got my scrubby right here and washed all my dishes. And now they're quote unquote gonna dry at some point. And I am going to make some apple crisp. So I will catch up with you in a little bit and I'll show you the crisp. I'm putting down these apples, and I added white peaches because it just sounded good. It's just a little brown sugar and bourbon, actually. And I'm gonna cook it down. I have pancake mix. I wonder if I added a little pancake mix, if it would thicken it up once it starts cooking down. I don't know. I'm going to show you my progress in a few minutes. I'm just going to keep stirring this for now. It's getting a little syrupy. A little bit. I might just let it cook down a little bit more and see if I can get the liquid to thicken up just a bit. And again, this is just brown sugar, a little shot of whiskey, and I did a pinch of salt in there too. Yeah. A little bit of cream on your apples and granola is good for dessert. Nice. Good morning, Todd.
Hey, good morning.
How are you?
Good.
How'd you sleep?
adequate, I guess. You know, woke up, I don't know, 14 times.
Yeah, indeed. Good morning. Yeah, I didn't sleep great, but you know, I kind of expect that at this point in time with camping. My old lady body does not handle the lack of mattress. I can see why people, as they're older, turn to trail campers.
Mm-hmm.
All right. It is a beautiful morning, though.
Yeah.
No rain. I don't even see any clouds up there.
Not yet.
All right. I'm about to drink some coffee. Thank you, Todd, for making me coffee. Whew. All right. All right, fast forward, and we are ready for the day, and we are at Cliffside Lake Day area, which is a beautiful lake where you can swim and fish, and there's hiking trails, and it's literally no boats. How beautiful. And I think there's a trail that goes all the way around. There's your bathroom. There's a little beach area. We'll show you around.
House up there?
It's a what?
Is it a changing house in there?
Yeah. So here's where you change for the lake to your bathing costume. Got a swing built to CCC specifications in 2004. Snake in a hole, snake in a hole. Where is the snake? Watch out. It's beautiful. And the sun is out today. Yesterday was such a rotten day, but today is making up for it because it's beautiful. Well, hey guys. Quick check-in. We're back at the campsite, and we're taking a little rest. It's almost time to start dinner. It's a little humid, I'm not gonna lie. Don't you think it's a little humid, Todd?
It is a little humid, but at least it's only like 75 degrees.
It's not that hot. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry I look old and scary, guys, but that's what camping does to me. So it's not too hot, but it is humid and the air is heavy and the tent smells like feet. And I kind of wish I had a hammock to sleep on tonight out here, but really there's not even a place to put a hammock up. But anywho, we're gonna have tacos for dinner, so I'm gonna start dinner in a few minutes. Just kind of taking some time. I'm gonna do a little reading, and Bee's in the tent chilling out, and Todd's over there chilling out. And I will check back in with you guys when it is time to start dinner. All right, well, welcome to Taco Wednesday. We've got some delightful taco meat there. There's the toppings. the wonderful toppings and the tortillas that have been warmed. We're gonna have ourselves a feast. We are working on the fire. It's all the kindling is soaking wet from last night, so it's not looking great. But you know, we're gonna try it. We want some s'mores. Get with it, Todd. There you go. Burn that cardboard. Burn that cardboard. We just got the s'mores going, just got the fire started, and there's thunder. This has taken us like an hour to get this fire. This piddly little fire. How are the s'mores, Todd? Visited Dry Falls, so named because you can walk behind it and stay dry. We didn't really stay dry. I mean, it was a
relative to damage water's falling.
Yeah. That was really fun, and I think we're gonna try to go see another waterfall called Bridal Vales, and this is all along Route 64 in the Nantahala National Forest. So right in the area around where our campground is. Well, here we go. Bridal Falls is right on the road. So there is Bridal Vale Falls. Not quite as impressive. It's still pretty darn cool. You can walk right behind it, and there's a parking area. Pretty nice. Driving through beautiful Highlands, North Carolina right now, just to kind of check it out. Look at this beautiful church getting renovated. Wow. The roof on that church is amazing. Beautiful. Got the fire going. Todd's over there in the darkness. Todd, what do you think about, did you have fun today?
I did.
Cool. Me too. Got a beautiful fire going. I know. Well, good morning. It is the last morning of our camping trip. Here comes Todd from the bathroom. I'm about to make some breakfast. And we're going to start packing up, but it's a beautiful morning. Look how gorgeous it is. And even though it's sunny and bright, it's shady here, which I think is a good thing because I would rather have a cooler slightly darker, maybe a little damper campsite than a super sunny, open, where you can see everybody, right? I was going to show you this beautiful morning for a second. So we do have some neighbors that moved in over there, but, you know, it's not too... They set up last night and then went right to bed, so... And then we'll be gone in a few hours, so it worked out. But I guess this weekend is July 4th weekend, so I would think that it would start to get a lot busier as today and tomorrow approach. But, you know, made a great time. I'm about to cook some taters and eggs and get the heck out of here. All right, what's for breakfast, Todd?
We have an egg scramble.
Yeah, with tomatoes and cheese.
Tomatoes and cheese, and then potato scramble with potatoes and bacon.
Yeah, like a... Let me see that. Oh, that looks good.
And bacon, potatoes.
Yeah,
Eggs,
egg, tomato.
cheese is in there.
Yeah.
Tomato.
Coffee, water. There's a donut stick around here somewhere. Oh, there's the lid for the whipped cream.
Yeah, everything's coming up today. It's gonna be a great day.
Indeed. I'd say the main negative of this campsite is you can hear the road traffic. It's not a huge deal, but it's noticeable, right?
Because it's so quiet.
Yeah, because otherwise it is so quiet. All right, which I guess is a good thing overall. All right then, well, we're almost packed up. It's all getting put in the car. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. So I thought I would take you guys with me so you can see a little bit of the campground and where the bathroom is in relationship to our campsite. Todd is playing, what's the game? Todd is playing Tetris with the stuff because we have an extra tent that we have to find room for. All right, so I'm going to turn you around. So this is the one little road around the campground. It's a loop, one-way loop. There's lots of rhododendron here. Maybe mountain laurel, I'm not sure exactly of the plants, but this is the way to the bathroom. See, there's the other side of the road over there. And then right here is the bathrooms and showers. And here's campsite number 9, which is really great if you have an RV. Looks like they're getting ready to pack up too, perhaps. Okay. And here's the bathrooms. So here's a look at the bathrooms. You know, pretty good as far as campground bathrooms to get a single bathroom. And yeah, there's spiders, but there's always going to be spiders. Oh. So here is the shower room. Again, not too bad. Somebody's left their washcloths here, which is kind of gross, but looks like there's a heat lamp up there. Again, not too bad for a campground. I would definitely wear your shower shoes. A little water fountain that doesn't seem to be working. Some information about the rules, the trails. Looks like at one point, I don't know if that's current, they have birds of prey program. And there's apparently, oh yeah, and there's the foot wash. So you can go get all sandy at Cliffside Lake, come back and wash your feet. Well, I guess I can walk all around. We got a couple hours of sun yesterday on our site and used our solar panel to charge our Jackery, but we did not get a whole lot of charge. I think we got like 10% charge on the Jackery. So, not too great. Here's campsite 12, so down a lot of stairs. Which is something to consider if you're like us and you have a lot of stuff. There's a little rhododendron, I think, or mountain azalea. Tell me in the comments below what this is. And see, look at these beautiful trees all around here. Well, there were people here yesterday. I guess they left. This looks like a big... Looks like you could pull your RV in here. There's also a tent pad. Oh, okay, so these are sites 13 to 17 down here. So it's its own little loop. And looks like 13 is occupied. Or no, 13 is the one where you can pull your RV in. Okay, keep going around. So there's a little spigot to fill your buckets and whatnot. So these are like much more out in the open than ours is. Ours is a little off the main loop. But I'm guessing that's so you can put your little RV or trailer in there. It's really peaceful. The only thing is the amount of traffic on 64 is a lot more than I thought it was going to be, and you can hear all the cars. And there were motorcycles that came through this morning. Whoa. And were so loud. Here's another campsite. Someone's got their little A-frame. I love those A-liners. And this is number 18, so that's the last one on the loop, I think. Oh, no, I was wrong. 20. There's 20. It looks like someone's going to be coming in there today. And then this one is a walk-up, so you can, if it says open, you can just walk right up, pay the fee, and set up your camp. So some are reservable, and some are walk-up. This one's... So this one looks like a pull-in, and it's a walk-up. So like you could just drive up and take the chance that one will be open. All right, well, Todd got everything in the car.
Barely. We might not be able to breathe while we're in the car, so...
I don't think Beatrix will be able to.
Yeah.
I had a great time. What about you?
It was a great time. There was ups and downs and all arounds, but overall,
rain and sun. You can't have a rainbow without the rain, right?
Right. It's very intuitive. But no, it's a nice campground. It does seem like it's picking up a little bit, which is, I'm kind of glad we're leaving.
Yeah.
Because there's some loud motorcycles have been riding through. It's just like, it's probably going to be full this
weekend. For
yeah.
sure, yeah.
Even though I mean, you do have separation, but you can still hear a lot of things that people are saying next to you.
Yeah. So, anywho, but guys, if you enjoyed this video, please, I beg you, give it a thumbs up, or don't. Just enjoy it. That's fine too.
Right.
But I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to get notified of every new video. We're not doing videos as often as we used to, so it's really important that you get those notifications. And a new thing, if you're enjoying our content, hit the link below and buy us a cup of coffee, right? It's a way that you can just show us that you are enjoying our content and would like to give us a little bit of support. So anyway, we're out of here, and you know, stay adventurous, wherever that takes you, right? Camping or theme parks. And we will talk to you again soon. Bye.